Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I am making a literal pizza burger. That's right, this is a pizza burger, all made in the Blackstone Pizza Oven. This is pizza dough for the bun. I cooked the burgers in the Blackstone Pizza Oven and smothered them. And I'll tell you what, let me just show you how this all went together, and we'll come back out and do a taste test. All right, so the first thing I got to do is get the buns ready. Get the buns ready. Yeah, this is a pizza burger, and the buns are going to be made out of pizza dough. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this pizza dough is I'm going to cut it into fourths. Okay, then I'm going to take each piece and ball it up. And I'll put them on this cookie sheet over here. Just get them kind of round first. And I'll spray that with a little olive oil. And we're going to set the dough on here. I'm going to flatten it out just a tiny bit. And I have my oven set on bread proof, because it's not warm enough here. And hopefully these will rise a little bit and get a little bit bigger and not run into each other. We'll see how this works out. So basically I'm making my burger buns out of pizza dough. All right, so I'm going to cover this up and put it in the oven and let it proof for probably at least an hour. Okay, so I changed my mind and decided to put some clear wrap over it so that I can look in the oven to see how they're progressing. So the buns have been in here for almost an hour, and I had to call an audible. I was going to do these buns in the oven, but I think I'm going to do them in the Blackstone Pizza Oven, so I put them on that round pan. And as soon as we get the pizza oven heated up, we'll see if it works. And I'm going to use a pound of hamburger that was in the freezer. And I'm going to just kind of eyeball it, cut it into quarters, and do 4 like quarter-pound burgers. Okay, so 4 squares. Got to get them flattened out. Now, I don't know if any of this is going to work at this point in time. If it worked, you saw the beginning of the video, you know it worked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook these burgers also in the Blackstone, in this cast iron Blackstone pan. I have some quarter pounders. I'm going to put some Texas brisket rub, thick course SPG, on top of these, just for a little seasoning. Alright, so as soon as that Blackstone's heated up, we're going to see if those buns, that pizza dough cooks up like buns, and hopefully it does. And after that, we'll do the burgers. Okay, so here's our, hopefully will be our nice hamburger buns. I hope they puff up a little more when they cook. But before we get them out there, I'm going to put a little, I got a little garlic and butter here, melted butter. I got about 4 tablespoons. I want to put a little bit of butter on top. And I've got the Blackstone heating up to right around 400 degrees. Like I said, I was going to do these in the oven. I'm like, you know what? I might as well just do all of this right in the Blackstone. See if it works. But, you know, I've looked at pizza burgers and looked, and I've never seen one made with, besides having the bun being an actual pizza, I've never seen one made with pizza dough for the buns. So let's get these out to the Blackstone. The Blackstone Pizza Oven, that is. I'm going to have to try to block the sunlight here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here's the buns. We are running right on, I'm almost 400. So let me get these in here and get them going. I'm going to have to keep an eye on them because I have not tried this before. We're going to let these go for however long it takes, hopefully just a couple of minutes. and then we'll move on to the burgers. Doing pretty good, but I think I want to try, if I can, turn the buns around a little bit so the inside is on the outside. Ooh, those are hot. Okay, and then put them back in and let them spin so that what was on the inside will now get a little toasty on the outside. All right, let me get these out of here. I think that's about, yeah, one of them started getting a little dark. So we'll get these inside real quick. Well, one of them's a little dark, but that's all right. It's pizza dough, right? So I'm going to put some more garlic butter on the tops of these. I'm sure the bottoms are fine. Just like that. And then I'm actually going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top as well. Give them a little extra flavor. Bottoms look good. Okay. All right. I think we got success on our buns. Let's get the burgers in. About 425 here. So let me stop the stone. Get the burgers in there. Okay, start it up. And let those cook in the Blackstone griddle. Or Blackstone Pizza Oven. Let me get that a little better look maybe. Alright. Alright, we'll let those cook for a little bit. Alright, I apologize for the glare, but there's not much I can do. The sun is going by. I'm going to stop it, and we're going to take a quick temp check. Okay. You won't be able to see the thermometer. Okay, so they're running right about 150, 145, 150. I'm going to let them go for a couple more turns, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. All right, there we go. Look at that. All right, the next step here is, this is going to be pizza burgers, so we're going to pour some marinara sauce on them and around them. Make a nice big mess. Okay, I'm cheating. I'm using bagged mozzarella. Get lots of cheese on here. You know, yeah, okay. You're expecting the green chili, so that's what we're putting on these green chili pizza burgers. You got to get green chili on there. Okay. Just like that. You know, one of our favorite pizzas that we make here is pepperoni and green chili pizza. So these pizzas are going to have, these pizza burgers are going to have green chili and pepperoni as well. And I've got to have a little bit more cheese. Just a little bit for the top of the pepperoni. All right, let's get these back in that pizza oven. We're still, oh boy, it's almost to 500 degrees, so this won't take long. That was only in maybe 2 minutes. Check this out. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna take these inside, cut the buns open, and build these burgers. All right, look at the sizzle even after I brought them inside. So good. There's our buns. Now I just need to cut them in half. See how they look on the inside. Let's see if I can get this here. See how we did? Oh yeah, look at that. Heck yeah. That is a pizza dough pizza burger bun. All right. We'll build these and take a taste. All I'm going to do is scoop out one of these patties and set it on that burger, on that pizza dough bun. All right. With all the marinara sauce on there. Look at that. That looks pretty darn good to me. All right. I scoop out a little more marinara and put it on the lid. Just like that. All right. Set it on top, and there you go. That's a real authentic actual pizza burger. Pizza dough cooked in the pizza oven, the hamburgers in the pizza oven. And man, that looks good. What do you think of that? Pizza burger. Actual 100% pizza burger. I'm sorry about all the lighting around here. It's late afternoon, so the sun is giving me fits. So anyway, let's give this pizza burger. This is a green chili and pepperoni pizza burger with a hamburger. So let's just see how it tastes. Look at that. I'll tell you what, I wasn't sure this bun was going to work, but it worked fantastic. If you're going to make a pizza burger, go all out. Make your bun with pizza dough. All right. Okay, if you're going to make a pizza burger, go all out. Make the bun out of pizza dough. Put your favorite topping on there. If you like just pepperoni, just put pepperoni. If you want to put other toppings, go for it. This right here is fantastic. I did get a hot bite, but hey, sometimes you do when you're eating green chili and sometimes you don't. Anyway, that's my pizza burger. Thanks for checking this out and hope you have a great day.